This guide shows you how to set a password on your computer. Now, it's only a basic password. Now, for most people, a basic password would be enough to stop any chancer from logging into your computer, or to stop anyone in your family from logging into your computer. So this is how we do it. So we move our mouse down to the start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, left click once. When the start menu appears, type the word password. Okay, then after a while, under best match, change your password should appear. Left click this once. Now, we then move our mouse down to password here, and then move it down to add just here, and left click once on add. Now it's asking us for a password. It's up to you what you put in here. So I'm just going to type in my password. Okay, we can check what we've typed in is correct just by clicking on this little eye here, or holding our mouse down on this little eye here, the left mouse button that is, and there you go, my password. And we click in the re-enter password box and we type it again. Okay, and again we can check it here by moving our mouse over the eye and then holding down the left mouse button, and there we go. Now it's asking for a hint, so I'll put in here, say begins with M, ends with D. Or anything you can think of that would, if ever you forgot the password, it would give you a big enough hint to be able to jog your memory. Okay, and then we left click next here. It says here, next time you sign in, use your new password. So left click finish. Okay, it's just changing the password, and we move our mouse over this the cross in the top right hand corner of the sign in options box, and left click once. Okay, I'm just going to check that it works, so I move my mouse over the start button and left click once, and then move your mouse over this head and shoulders here, left click once, and move your mouse over sign out and left click once. Okay, now it's going to sign out now, and we're just going to check to make sure the password works. So I'm going to left click again to get the box to come up, the sign in box. As you can see, it's come up, and I'm just going to type in the password that I put in. And then I press enter or return on the keyboard, or click on the arrow just here, and hopefully if it goes in I've typed the password correctly. And yes, as we can see, we're now logged in. Now if you wanted to reverse that process and take the password off, just do the same. So we left click the start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. When the start menu appears, type the word password. Okay, move your mouse over change your password and left click once. And then where we've got password here, we've got a box that says change. So left click change. Okay, it asks for the current password. That's the password it's currently set to. So I'm just going to type that in. And then I move my mouse over next and left click once, and it's asking us now for a new password. Now if I don't want to set a password, I'll just leave that blank, just don't type anything, just move your mouse down to next and left click once, and it says here next time you sign in, use your new password. Well, the password's blank, so I left click finish. Okay, it's changing the password. Move your mouse over the cross in the top right hand corner of the sign in options box, left click once, and I'm just going to check it again. So left click the start button, move your mouse over the head and shoulders just there, left click once, move your mouse over sign out, left click once. Okay, it's now signing out. And if we try signing back in again, I'm just going to left click once on the screen and left click sign in, and there we go. It's not asked for a password. So that's how to set and how to remove a password in Windows 10. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.